Hey everyone, it's Julia with Wig Review Central, and I'm featuring the UniWigs style Luna. This is a blonde balayage, 14-inch long Remy human hair wig. It is in the color 674R Icy Blonde Melt. This is an ash blonde color that has both lowlights and ashy highlights throughout. It's just gorgeous. Now this is 150% density, and I've already done a complete wig review for this style. I'll leave a link in the video description box under this video where you can watch the wig review to get all of the details. In this video, I want to show you how to lay down the lace front, which is ear tab to ear tab. So I'm going to show you how to use adhesive to lay down the lace. Do you have to use adhesive? Some people don't. They're fine just leaving it like this. I like to use adhesive for two reasons. If the wind blows or if someone brushes back my hair, I don't want this to show. The second reason is it's added security. If the lace front is glued down, as we say in the wig community, then the wig is just secured to your head. Just an added measure of security. There's a couple of different products you can use. One of my favorite is It Stays, and I will leave a link to where you can buy this product in the description box under this video. This is a roll-on, which is really convenient. And I want to show you how to place It Stays along your hairline. So you start here and roll it all the way down to where your sideburns are in front of your ear. And then on this side, this is how I like to apply it. Some people will apply it directly onto the lace and then put the wig on. You can certainly do that if that's what you prefer. And then I will place Luna on my head, and already she's starting to stick. So I need to get the wig positioned properly and lined up. I will pull Luna down on either side and press with my fingers along the lace front, all along the hairline. It'll give It Stays time to become tacky and then eventually dry, and you will not have to worry about your lace front lifting at all. Fantastic product. Easy to remove. Warm soapy water. You can take a steamy washcloth and press it along the hairline, and It Stays will lift. And then you can just use warm soapy water to rinse your skin. Or you can also use warm soapy water to remove the adhesive on the lace front, or a very good wig shampoo. As you can see, once It Stays dries, you can yank on the hair. I don't recommend doing this, but you can pull on the hair and it does not budge. Your lace front is laid down beautifully. This is a medical grade adhesive, so it's good for people who have sensitive skin like myself. I have never had a skin rash, contact dermatitis, or anything with this product, which is why I recommend it. As you can see, once the glue has taken hold, you can jerk up the hair and it will not lift the lace front. These are two products that you can also use to tack down or glue down your lace front. This is Walker Blue Tape, which most retailers sell, and this is Sensi Tack, which is a stronger adhesive tape made for toupees and hair pieces. I'm going to show you how to use the blue Walker tape. It's quite easy. Just take it out of the package and then pull out the strip as long as you want it to be. I'm just going to show you quickly. Once you make your cut, you just peel back. And as you can see, once you get it started, you just pull this plastic off and then you're left with the tape. I like to place the tape right here and cover it with the lace front and press it down. And that's it. And you can use that all the way around the lace front if you like. So you have a couple of options for gluing down your lace front. I hope that you found this video helpful. I have left links to these products in the video description box under this video. Also, while you're here, please click the like button if you like this video so I know what to bring you in the future. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.